Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make butterfly pea flower tea. This tea has a very pretty blue or purple color. Just by looking at the color, we decided to prepare this tea today. It's in fact the first time that all of us are trying this tea and we are quite excited. We hardly had 6-7 flowers available because they don't last longer. This tea is having multiple health benefits like boosting immunity, accelerating weight loss, improving digestion, enhancing skin health, etc. And all of us here are trying to get few flowers so that we can prepare enough tea to serve four of us. After all that teamwork, we got these flowers. They may have dust particles in them, so it's better to give it a good wash. After that, you can remove the edges. In a pan, taking 2 cups of water or as much as you need. Put the flowers in water as it is, or you may even break them into few pieces. Turn on the flame and allow this to boil. After 5 minutes, water is boiling well and the flowers has released its color. And as you can see, it has got a greenish blue color. Just strain it to remove the flower petals. And here we have this greenish tea already. Now if you want to see the magic and change its color, all you need is a tiny piece of lemon. Yes, you heard it right. Just a few drops of lemon juice and it will change its color. See, it's slightly turning purple in color. Give this a good mix and you are all ready to have this drink. We did not add sugar or any other sweetener in this drink, but if you prefer, you can add a bit of sugar or stevia as you like. We just decided to have this drink like that and it did not taste bad. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye bye.